In this video, I'm going to be showing you where to build your first base in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you can really build your first village anywhere depending on the seed that you get, because when you create a world, you're going to get a different seed than everyone else. So what you're going to do is you're just going to look at the map, and as you can see, I'm currently in the dry valley, but there is grasslands right near me. It is pretty ideal to actually build kind of close to two different biomes, just so that you can get the different resources that you're going to be able to need to actually survive. And it's honestly all in the preference. I kind of like where I have my village, but it really doesn't matter as long as you are able to get your resources that you need through two different biomes. And Frostlands is going to be kind of difficult, so make sure it's either in the grasslands, dry valley, just for your first base. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.